Adult Manual of the Day.
Hotel cameras. In 2023, reports of hidden cameras found in rental accommodations increased by 67%. 1 in 12 travelers has found, or nearly found, a recording device in a short-term rental. If you have stayed in a hotel in the last year, this applies to you. Specifically, you check in, you put your bag down, you do not check the smoke detector. Most people do not. That is what this manual is for. This is not paranoia. It is illegal everywhere, and it still happens every single day. This manual works in any country, any room, any situation. By the end of this manual, you will check every room you enter in under 5 minutes. Let us begin. Step 1. Know what you are looking for. Hidden cameras are not the size of cameras. In 2004, a camera small enough to hide in a room cost several $1,000s. Today, the same technology costs $11. The problem did not get worse because people got bolder. It got worse because cameras got cheaper. Most cameras you will encounter are smaller than the tip of your finger. They are built to disappear. There are 2 types: wired cameras and battery-powered cameras. Each requires a different approach. Wired cameras need a cable or a power source nearby. They are usually placed close to an outlet. Battery-powered cameras can go anywhere: a bookshelf, a potted plant, a ceiling corner with no wiring at all. Some cameras only record when they detect motion. Others run continuously. You cannot tell which by looking. Motion-activated cameras are harder to detect because they produce no heat or signal when idle. And then there is night vision. Many hidden cameras use infrared LEDs to record in total darkness. You cannot see this light. Your phone camera can. We will use this. Keep it in mind. One more thing most guides never mention: audio recording devices. A hidden microphone has no lens. It is smaller than a camera, and it is just as illegal. Audio devices are often disguised as power adapters, air fresheners, or wall sockets. Common disguises for cameras include smoke detectors, USB wall chargers, alarm clocks, picture frames, coat hooks, air purifiers, power strips, decorative screws. Any object at all. The one thing a camera cannot hide is its lens. The lens must be exposed to record. That is where you look. Every camera needs 3 things: a lens, a power source, and storage. Remove one, it stops. There is one place most people never check. We will get to that. But first, the scan.
Step 2.
The 5-minute room scan. You have entered the room. You are slightly tired. Your bag is heavy. You want to sit down. Do not sit down yet. Cameras might be set up between guests. The previous occupant checked out this morning. You checked in this afternoon. 4 hours is enough time. Follow the grid. Begin with the bed area. It is the most targeted zone. Check everything within direct line of sight of the bed. Smoke detector above the bed. Look directly up. Alarm clock on the nightstand. Turn it to face you. Check the entire front face. USB charger plugged near the bed. Look for the pinhole. Look for a lens glinting inside the USB port itself. Check the wall outlets themselves. Outlets in unusual positions, facing the bed, mounted at an angle, are worth a second look. Now, check behind paintings and wall decorations. Move to the bathroom. There is a reason we have not discussed bathrooms until now. Bathrooms are the second most targeted zone. You already know why. Shower head, bathroom smoke detector, ventilation fan cover. Now, the reflection test. This is the most important test in this manual. Turn off all lights in the room. Use your phone's flashlight. Sweep it slowly across every surface. Camera lenses reflect light in a way that other surfaces do not. You are looking for a small, sharp glint, like a tiny star. Now, for the infrared test. Use your phone's front-facing camera, not the back camera, the front. Point it at any smoke detector, USB charger, or electronic device in the room. If you see a purple or white glow on your screen, that is an infrared LED. That device is watching you in the dark. Next, the phone call test. It is not perfect, but it costs nothing. Call someone. Walk slowly through the room while on the call. If your audio crackles or buzzes near a specific object, note the location. Finally, check the hotel Wi-Fi network list. Look for device names like IP camera, nanocam, hidden cam, or any network with no name at all. You can also download a dedicated RF detector app. These scan for radio frequencies used by wireless cameras. A camera on Wi-Fi means someone may be watching in real time, from anywhere in the world. But finding the camera is only half the problem.
Step 3.
The places most people miss. Mirrors. Some mirrors are two-way. They appear normal from the front. They are not. Test. Press your fingertip directly to the mirror's surface. If there is a gap between your finger and its reflection, it is a normal mirror. If your fingertip touches its own reflection directly, investigate further. Air fresheners and room deodorizers. A very common hiding spot. Almost nobody thinks to check them. Clock radios. Extremely common. The face of a clock radio is a nearly perfect camera placement. Tissue boxes. Plant pots. Stuffed animals left in a room. Shower curtain rod ends. The rounded caps at each end of the rod. Unscrew them. Ceiling light fixtures and lampshades. Ceiling fixtures and sprinkler heads. Inside TV bezels. The black border of the television. Behind ventilation grills. USB charging ports facing the bed. Now apply the too many test. If a room has more of something than it should, investigate. 2 smoke detectors for 1 small room. A second USB charger you did not ask for. A wall decoration that faces only the bed. The best hiding spots are the ones you use every day. This is by design. Familiarity is camouflage. Now you know where to look. But what happens if you actually find one?
Step 4.
What to do if you find one. First, do not confront the host. Confrontation removes your leverage and may provoke an unpredictable response. Do not touch or disable the camera. Do not unplug it. Do not cover it. It is evidence. Touching it may compromise your legal case. Photograph everything, the device itself, its location in the room, the angle it faces. Then, record a video of yourself narrating what you found. Say the date, the time, and the room number out loud. Then, leave the room. Calmly. Take your belongings. Do not run. Do not slam the door. Contact local police first. Before the hotel, before the platform. The order matters. When you speak to police, use these words. I have discovered what I believe to be a recording device in my accommodation. I have documented it, and I have not touched it. Say exactly that. Then report to the booking platform. They have dedicated safety teams. Request a full refund in writing. Use the word safety in your message. Regarding your legal rights, in most countries, a hidden recording device in a private accommodation entitles you to a full refund. Do not accept hotel credit. Insist on a refund. Request a different room or leave the property entirely. A different room at the same property is a valid option only after management has been informed. If you are in a foreign country, contact your national embassy. They are your ally. They deal with these situations regularly. One final step. After the incident, do a reverse image search with any photos you took. Check whether any of your images have appeared online. The platform TinEye handles this for free. Keep your room key, keep your evidence, keep your composure. Your safety is more important than your deposit,
Let us review.
because repetition is how manuals work. Know what cameras look like. They are small, they are disguised, they can see in the dark. The lens is always exposed. That is where you look. Scan the room systematically. Bed area first, bathroom second, electronics third. Use the reflection test. Use the infrared test. Use the phone call test. Check the Wi-Fi list. Check the RF scanner app. Check the mirrors, the air fresheners, the clock radio, the shower rod ends, the vents, the TV bezel, the lampshades, the USB ports. If a room has too many of something, investigate. If you find a camera, photograph it with narrated video, leave calmly, call the police first, report to the platform, request a refund in writing, and run a reverse image search afterward. This is a 5-minute investment. It protects everything. It costs nothing but attention. Share this manual. Teach someone. The person sitting next to you on a plane right now has probably never thought about this. Now you have. That is the difference. Adult Manual, Issue 47. Now you know.